Oukitel would announce the Oukitel WP100 Titan, the WP200 Pro, and the Oukitel WP300 at the CES 2025 event that is expected to take place from the 7th of January 2025. These devices are feature-packed rugged devices that I expect to officially launch in February, but Oukitel would unveil them tomorrow, which is the 7th of January 2025. The Oukitel WP100 Titan is expected to have a 33,000 mAh battery. It's also going to feature a 1200 lumen super bright LED camping light at the back. It's going to be powered by the Dimensity 7300 chip, and it's going to feature a built-in projector. These are just the few details of the Oukitel WP100 Titan. The WP200 Pro would have 24 GB of RAM that can be virtually expanded up to 72 GB, and it's going to have a 1 TB built-in storage. This is insane, guys. The device is also going to be powered by the Dimensity 8200 chipset, which is nice. It's also going to feature a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, and it's going to feature detachable earphones. So these are just some of its top features. We expect to get more features very soon. While the Oukitel WP300 is a modular rugged smartphone that is expected to have 12 GB of RAM, and it's going to have 512 GB of storage that can be expanded up to 2 TB. The device would feature a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's also going to have a bright camping light at its rear, and the device is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 octa-core 5G processor. So these are just some of the details of the three devices coming very soon. Once I get more details about these devices, I'll definitely let you guys know. Anyway, this is the update for today. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.